Hello friends, good morning. In the last lecture, we cover Funnel chart in Microsoft Power BI. In this video, we are going to learn Waterfall chart, very important chart in Power BI desktop. For that, first we upload the data in Power BI desktop. File name is sales24. First we upload the data, select the sheet, and it is a clean data, so you can directly click on load button. It will take few seconds to upload the data in Power BI desktop. So you can see on the right hand side data uploaded in Power BI desktop. In data section, you have to go to home tab and go to new visual, and in waterfall funnel scatter segment you can find waterfall chart. Just click on the chart, maximize the visual so it will be better for visualization. So basically waterfall chart, so it is also known as decision making chart and root cause analysis chart. For creating waterfall chart, first we have to select order date, and on y-axis we have to select sales. So here is our waterfall chart. Select data labels to analyze the data properly. So here you can see total sales is 2.30 million, and it is divided across these years from 2015 to 2020. If you add all these values 0.41, 0.01, 0.01 million, 0.32, then total sales will be 2.30 million. And here you can see we receive maximum sales in 2020, 1.08 million, and lowest sales in 2016 and 17. So this is the analysis of waterfall chart. Here you can also take the help of one option breakdown. Here first I am going to add category option. So basically we have three categories: electronics, luxury furniture, office stationery. So here you can easily analyze office stationery is responsible for sales decrease in 2016. And here if you compare 2017 with 2018, you can find we receive maximum sales in the category luxury furniture. Similarly, we get maximum sales in for office stationery in 2018, 2019. So because of this sales increases in 2019. Similarly, if we study about sales increase from 2019 to 2020, then you can easily analyze office stationery is responsible for sales increase in 2020. So this is the main use of waterfall chart. We can easily understand the increase and decrease amount in particular category. Similarly, I am going to add breakdown as a region. So here we receive region wise sales increase or decrease, which region performs better in which year. We can analyze data as per our requirement. Similarly, we can add another option here. First, we check with category, then region, then segment. If you check with the segment, so here you can similarly analyze the data for segment breakdown, which segment is perform better in which year. So this is the use of waterfall chart, and that's why it is called root cause analysis chart. See, here in format tab we have many similar options you can find: size and style, title, x-axis, y-axis. Here you can change length, title, font size, font type, legend. We have already covered this option in the last videos. Grid lines, columns. Here you can change the column colors. You can change your colors with your favorite colors. Similarly, breakdown, data labels, plot area, background, and reference line. So most of these options we have covered in the last videos. Please check all these options one by one. Try on your end, and please do practice 10 to 15 times. Use the data which was shared in the description box. So here we have done with the waterfall chart. If you have any questions, please comment on video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari, and share and like my videos, comment on it. Thank you.